Assalamu alaikum, Najmul Ahmad. In this video I will explain you how I can solve your midterm practice practical exam. For your task steganography, I downloaded image as I saw in your picture you showed me from your computer, and I will use stig hide to embed the secret practical practice or practice practical into the image, with the password must be lemon1. I will show how I can do that. First you need to open your workstation and open your Debian operating system from terminal. Right, you need to make sure stig hide is installed in your system. So I will write the code to make sure stig hide is already installed in your system. I already downloaded in system, but I will show you how I can do that. sud opt install stig hide. I already installed it, so it didn't take any time. Stig is already the newest version. Now you need to create the text file contain practice practical. I will show how I can do that. Echo -n practice practical in secret file. This code will copy this text into file called secret.txt. Now we can open files. This is the secret file contain practice practical. Now we can use the code to embed the text and the password in the image. In terminal, write this code: stig hide embed cf borg. This borg.gbg. This is the name of the image file that already copied here. I copied and copy and paste here. Copy, paste here. Here is. Now click enter. I embedded, done. Success without any error. Take the first screenshot. Now go to the next task. SSH login. Your username for the exam server must be a favorite actor or actress. Configure booty to log into the server using your private key. The key comment: first name practice. I will use this name as a username, Jane. Now we need to create another username in account in Debian. How can we do that? I will show you how can do that. In terminal, write this code: sudo user add -m-s. The s that we use this command code to create another user account in Debian, which his name is Jane, and press enter. I already did before, that's why it said already exist, but I show you how I can create another account. sud user add -m-s /bin/bash, and this is the name of new account. Next, set the password. I already used the default password as 12345678. If you enter, will ask you to enter a new password. My password is 123456. 12345678, and ask to retype again 12345678. Password updated successfully. Next, we need to make SSH dir to save the public key and private key. MDK that used to create another SSK and public key, but we will not do here. I will switch to another account, Jane, so I can make sure I created this folder correctly. Now switch user. Here is Gina, another username account in Debian system. Password is 12345678. Here, terminal, we will use this code. mkdir b dot ssh. We used mkdir to create a folder for ssh. Okay, next cd dash ssh. Okay, no problem. cd and copy this, copy, paste. Here is the directory. Now we write the ssk gen trsa minus b 4.96 c g. If you remember, we used this code to create RSA public key and private key, as we did in your previous assignment. Here is press enter. Yes, enter. Then LSLE, read the files as the public key and the private key. Now cat will show the public key inside ID RSA code. ID RSA. This is the private code. We will copy it. Copy. In Windows, we'll create a key. and called. For second part, I will create another username called Jane, and will create a private key so I can use the in booty to login. Here's the steps. From terminal, mkdir, I used this command to create a folder called SSH. Then access to this folder by using cd slash the name of the directory, and ls slash la here view the content of the folder. rsa id rsa now cat, use this command to view content of the file id rsa. This is the private key. You need first to create RSA code for Jane. So you need to this, I will name it Jane. I already did this code before, that's why I get this private key. We can do another again and get another different key. Let's try and see the difference. FBC, okay, it is the same. Now copy this private key and paste in text file called design. You can name it any name as you want, and paste. After that, open OT Jane, and in command open this private key, and you need to write this name as your instructor said, must be first name practice practical key. The name here is Gina. Okay, and key comment, save private. Okay, here is the name. Okay, now open booty and create name Jane. I already did before, here is, and write the IP address. And you know how, if you don't know how to get the IP address, write IP EDDR. This is the IP address. Copy it in IP name or host name or IP address. I already did before for Jane, that's why it's saved here in session. Load, here is, and in connection select SSH authentication and browse to select the file Jena practice practical that will use to access the server. When connection, select data and write the username account, which is Jane. Auto login username, you must log in the username which will use the key to access the Linux server. Now open, here is. This is the second screenshot. Jena authenticating with public key Jena practice. Take this screenshot and paste in your assignment as I did here. Here's now go to the task 3, screenshot 3. Here is very easy. Just want you to enable X11. I will show you how can do that. Close this and open Xlaunch. Here is in system tree, load Jena, and from SSH authentication select X11 and select enable X forward. Now open. You can write Xstream, Xterm, and here is open. We'll browse the directory LSLA. Now can take the screenshot number 3. Screenshot, post, and copy in the PowerPoint file. Here is. Now go to the for task host k vs user k. It is also very simple. Log in into the server, run command needed to display all files for pause. Here is the code I will use. Here we'll browse all the key in the host. Copy. Paste. CD. Okay, no problem. ls/i etc ssh underscore host underscore star. Now where is the problem? ls/l etc ssh host. Here is the files. You can copy this. Here is the file and the 4 Jena X files. Home gene.ssh. Here is the server key and host key and user key. Host key and user as authorized key. Here is root SS host key and Gina IDRSA key. Now take the screenshot and paste in PowerPoint. Here is the screenshot 4. Now for the last part, disable password in terminal. su slash 1234567 root and write sudo config. As here, sudo config, write this in terminal, etc ssh sshd config. Okay, now I will search for looking for password. Password authentication and remove sharp and change yes to no. Control X and press Y, enter. And sorry, cancel. And restart system. You need to restart system to enable this command, system ctl restart shd. Okay, now open session, attempt to log as your actress without loading private key. That will show a fatal error. Let's try. Close. Open booty. Here is load, but here I will remove this and try to open. Here is the fatal error. Take the screenshot and paste in PDF. I hope you understand the steps in this video, and if you have any query, I am ready to answer you, and thank you.